Here's a view of my Arctic King. 6,000 BTU. Got it from Walmart. It's got a what is this? It's a two vertical fins with this top short thing. It's like a shorter on top, whatever you want to say. I don't know. It's got 4 vents on top. Jeez. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Here's your backwards L. Vertical one. It's on fan. The compressor hasn't turned on yet. Just like kind of warm, I guess. It's not really blowing right here, but it's blowing like more on the sides. GMC decompression. I'm not turning on. I'm not doing it. There it goes. The GMC. It uses I think it uses R32 or R410A, one of those two. It said, I'm out to one. It said, whatever. Let's take a look at the inside. That's pretty cool. I thought the compressor started up on video. Let's see. Here's the Frigidaire that I just showed. Here's the Arctic King. It's full of water because these newer ones don't drip. They have like a slosher ring. Yeah, this is actually really cool. That's really cool. Fan there. Here's your settings. 62. Focus. Got it's on high cool on energy saver. Filter, but I can keep it clean, so I don't have to keep every 250 hours that comes on. Filter. Put a squeaky. Well, I guess that'll be it.